Today we're going to learn how to paint this black hole.
The question of the day is, when did we discover black holes could suck up light waves?
Alright, let's run through the colors.
Primary yellow, quin red, pearly red, phthalo green, quin blue, phthalo blue, Indian hue, burnt umber, Mars black, titanium white.
We just added in that first layer. Now what we're going to do is add a lot of gases. So we're going to have black streaks to kind of define the dark space, as well as light streaks to define the gaseous forms that we're going to paint over layer, and that'll color in and give a lot of variation to the space. Right now it's kind of bland. It has this nice dark to light center, but we're going to add those streams, and that'll give a lot more intensity to the clouds. It's being sucked in sensation. Alright, we just laid in these white and dark areas. Now what we're going to do is like translucent colors on this, and we'll make the gases actually have color, so that'll make it really cool and kind of blend more into this circle, and then we'll see if we can kind of keep that spiral effect going.
Black holes and light waves. So in 1915, Albert Einstein came with the law of relativity, and that actually showed that light itself could be attracted through gravitation, which people didn't think possible before. So, you know, various theoreticians came with the idea with if you have a large enough mass, it would actually attract the light, and the light would kind of go there, and then if it tried to get back, it would just kind of bounce back and come back to the surface of the black hole. And the shift in, so when light goes away from you, it gets to a red shift. So it would go so fast towards this black hole that it actually go from red all the way to invisible to the human eye. So basically to the black, and hence the name, the black hole.
All right, we just finished. Let's take a closer look. So this one has kind of a nice purple to red, and then goes into orange with yellow at the very end. I really like the color transition here with the black and white outline around the black hole itself. I think overall this has probably the best color transition out of the four, because it has this really nice dark purple to reds to yellow and orange in between. So it has that nice transition of color temperature as you get closer to the black hole itself, which kind of shows symbolically that the gas is kind of getting heated up. And then you finally have this spiral around the black hole itself with the white outline. I think that's okay. It's pretty spot on for the circle of black, which is what you want. You want to get that black just perfectly spot on. And you want the white as well. So I was thinking of doing like trails off of that white, but I thought it would be just too much of a pain in the butt to do that. So I just left that as that. I think it's pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it. If you guys like it, you can give it a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching, guys.